I came to understand the difference between what I call the adjustment, accommodation and compromise. So never compromise on something which is legal, because if you do anything against the law, rules or regulations, you could be in trouble. But accommodation is the way of life. Accommodation would mean, for example, initially when my political bosses asked me to transfer an officer, I used to fight with them. Later on I said, let us try and convince him that such a transfer will not be good for the organization. In many cases I managed to convince him. In some other cases I didn't, I couldn't. Now a younger Anil Swarup would have proceeded on leave. To give you another example, I had the occasion to work with Madam Mayawati when she was Chief Minister. I was a Special Secretary. She had this habit of suspending district magistrates in meetings. So she merrily suspended a district magistrate, and it was not his fault, but he was suspended in the meeting. So that district magistrate came to me and said, "Sir, मेरी तो कोई गलती नहीं थी." And factually उसकी कोई गलती नहीं थी. Now how do you get him reinstated? Now a younger Anil Swarup would have gone and fought with Mayawati and probably himself got suspended or moved, whatever. But a slightly more mature Anil Swarup did something else. We found out when is she in her finest mood, the best mood. Because I was gradually discovering that a person has different moods. So you should go and talk to him when he is in a better mood. So we discovered that in the morning when she used to have breakfast, she was in the best mood. So I took that opportunity. In the morning I went to her. I was a day officer. I went there in the morning. She looked in a very good mood. And then I told her, "Madam, वो अधिकारी बड़ा अच्छा है लेकिन गलती हो गई." So her response was, वो अच्छा है तो गलती कैसे हो गई? और दूसरी बात ये थी, some people have criticized me, आपको तो पता था उसकी गलती नहीं थी, तो आपने क्यों कहा उसकी गलती थी? मैंने कहा अगर मैं कहता उसकी गलती नहीं थी और आपकी गलती थी सस्पेंड किया तो मैं भी सस्पेंड हो जाता. So this is the accommodation that I am talking of. So I accommodated and said, हाँ मैडम उसकी गलती थी और अच्छी है अच्छा अफसर गलती हो जाती है तो अच्छी कैसी है तो कैसे गलती हो गई? मैंने कहा मैडम मुझसे भी गलती हो सकती है. अगेन आई कुडंट से था मैडम आपसे भी गलती हो सकती है, मुझसे भी गलती हो सकती है. देन शी ग्रेजुअली केम टू माई साइड एंड देन व्हेन आई टोल्ड हर मैडम हो गई गलती आगे से नहीं करेगा, अच्छा अधिकारी है, शी एग्रीड एंड ही वाज रीइंस्टेटेड. A younger IAS officer would have fought with her. He would have continued to be suspended. I would have been harmed. So that's the line that I used to draw. What is the objective behind it?